This video shows a dangerous police pursuit involving an Acura TL linked to the RedLine Mafia. The pursuit took place on January 9th at 10:46 p.m.
Six, 1037. 11 south. I think it's a maroon passenger car. It's blacked out.
11 south, 7 passenger car blacked out.
It's still southbound. Past the 11.
Southbound out the 11.
It's a maroon passenger car. Take credit.
Maroon passenger car.
I'm secondary. Hey, take care of the
30 secondary.
south speed 130.
South speed 130.
Coming up to the Jenny Line exit. Speed still 130.
Jenny Line speed 130.
Alright, we're coming up to Jenny Line now. Taking Jenny Line exit.
Taking Jenny Line exit.
Continue southbound. Have to go on along, right?
Southbound on ramp.
Okay. Now we're coming up to Highway 271.
TVI.
Hands! Hands! Driver! Show us your hands! I don't got visual.
Neither.
Hey, put it in park! Put it in park!
Driver! Open the door! Driver! Open the door!
He's saying he can't.
Roll the window down! Hands! Both of them!
There you go.
You can crawl out! Keep your hands up! Hands up! Less lethal.
On the ground!
Hey, stand up. Back of this one. I
What?
don't know if we got a pass.
Okay, yeah.
Back up. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Hands on top of your head. Here, on your knees.
You got a passenger?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You said yes? Hey, we do have a passenger.
15 with one male trying to get the passenger out.
Hey, is that it?
That's clear. Moving.
I'm gonna open it.
Okay.
I'll open it. You got it.
All right.
That's, God bless. Thank God.
Oh, yeah, I saw that. Yeah.
Clear.
Clear.
I'm at my car.
Where's it hurting?
I don't know. I'm having
Panic attack?
Yeah, I've been in a wreck before, and it's just...
What's his deal?
I don't know. I was just getting a ride from him. That was it.
Who's he to you?
This is a friend. I was just getting a ride.
Okay. All right. Getting a ride from him. Just getting a ride from him.
Yeah, I was getting a ride from him.
What's your name? If you want to get her name and stuff. You can clear the net.
Net clear 1048.
Who put him out? Did you put him out? Good work. Into the concrete.
I didn't want to take over for you. I figured you were doing business, so. She doesn't really know him. She's getting a ride from him.
He don't have a license why he ran.
Really?
This is the one. He was doing 101. He was blacked out, wasn't he? Coming up behind me. Wow. He was about to take the 10, so I hurried up, hit the door. He's still doing 88 there, and the next thing you know, blackout. I was like, oh, here we go.
Perfect spot. I was set up just down there. He told me over the phone. He said, all right, let's go. Let's do it. I got to restart my camera.